अगर देखा जाए तुम्हारा हियर टू हियर जो इनिशिएटिव है, यू नो talk to us about it. This is so beautiful. Like I told you, you've risen up in my esteem even more.
Thanks, Sid. So what happened was that everyone was being able to come together and help with providing, say, essential medicines or concentrators, etc., etc. And I felt that since all of that is being taken care of now, many people are coming together. Whenever I was speaking to, whether it was friends or strangers, even who were writing in, the how often grief was being experienced by everyone was something that is very scary, because grief is something we're supposed to experience once in a while. But I think it's been a phase for all of us where our immediate family, there's been loss in all of our immediate circles. So being able to make sense of that and talk through that with a qualified professional is really, I feel, important. And for whoever wants that, it should be available, was the idea, because there's a lot of stigma around seeking mental help as well. So making it as readily available as possible and easily accessible, thought that maybe then people, kind of disentangle their minds through that.
कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट था जो शायद while talking to one of these people, right, when who was seeking mental help, तुम्हें भी बहुत दर्द महसूस हुआ? Did you break down while talking to any one of them or understanding their story or what they went through?
I honestly can't pick one, because I remember these 7-8 days when especially Delhi, which is my hometown, got hit so badly, where, I mean, because we couldn't get cylinders for people in 5 minutes, we've lost those lives. My friend's dadi, my friend's, mama. Like, I remember each of these instances where ambulance 10 minute देर में आ गई, तो hospital में bed मिल गया पर ambulance नहीं मिली. And once ये हो जाता है, you lose that life. And then what happens to the families? Then talking to them and somehow making sense of it becomes too hard. So it's honestly been an ocean of these incidents. It's not just been one.
हमारे सब के लिए, मेरे लिए भी, this pandemic, thankfully, health wise, physical health wise, we've been fine.
Touch wood, yeah.
Touch wood. But mentally, it's been tough for me, for everyone as well. What have you experienced? Suddenly shooting stop हो गया है, इधर उधर सारे दोस्तों के परिवार के बारे में आप सुनते हैं. It actually gives trauma to you as well, to me as well. What have you gone through during this time?
I don't even know if I've understood what I've gone through, but what I know for sure is that it became about life and death, and it became about the country at large. So it's been uncomfortable for me, emotionally and mentally, extremely uncomfortable. And I am usually able to focus on work, but like creatively, you don't feel inspired in phases like this. Sometimes entertainment, we're entertainers, even you. And our job is to spread happiness and radiation, but if you don't feel it yourself, then you kind of can't. So that guilt of, shit, I'm supposed to be spreading smiles, but I'm not able to right now, so there's been so many mixed up emotions, but just the self has been the least important part in this whole thing, and that's been the most beautiful part to see also, that only everyone cares about each other's, how is mom, how is dad, did you get that? Everyone is just asking each other about each other, and seeing that has been so beautiful.
Mental experts जो होते हैं, mental health पे जो बहुत डीप घुसे हुए हैं, डॉक्टर्स हैं, वो सब यही बोल रहे हैं कि mental health is the time bomb waiting to explode. And you have tapped that. You actually realize the importance of that also, right? Physical health तो important है. Do you feel the same way as well? And also, जैसे तुमने एक बहुत strong शब्द बोला, stigma. But a lot of people just suppress the anxiety in their head. Financially, people are getting hit. Physically, people are getting hit. How do they just reach out to people like you? How do they just say, हाँ, मुझे mentally problem हो रही है?
It's exactly like that, where they just, if I'm saying that there are maybe here to here is just one of the many ways in which they can straight up start speaking to a psychologist. I'm hoping that many other platforms do the same. I've done it in partnership with Mood Space, which provides all of the psychologists and empathetic listeners. But the way to do it really, Sid, is to have that awareness first. And that awareness can only come if we as a community start talking about it a lot more. And I'm seeing it happen. So I'm happy that it's happening. But I'd studied psychology in the 12th grade. So that's the only time my awareness of our mind and emotions increased. If I hadn't studied it, maybe I'd have never understood that the way we look at the world is governed by our state of mind. And so I feel that it's our responsibility to spread that, to help people understand it. But they should even realize that your best friend or your mother is also that empathetic listener. So if you don't want to start with a professional and you don't feel there's a need for that, just start disentangling with at least them. Don't keep it inside. Don't let it bottle up, because that is detrimental.
नो संजना, पर बहुत से लोगों को पता भी नहीं है कि उनको मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज हैं.
I know.
I know a friend of mine. I love him, but उसके मूड स्विंग्स इतने सॉलिड होते हैं. कभी एक मोमेंट खुश रहता है, कभी ड्रास्टिक, नेक्स्ट मोमेंट ग्लूमी रहता है. उसको पता भी नहीं है कि उसको मेंटल हेल्थ की जरूरत, हेल्प की जरूरत है.
That's the thing that he, even your friend, he probably knows inside, but there is something that's stopping him from just taking that leap and going and seeking help. So it's that gap, because we all know it internally. You get to know when there is discomfort. It's about just removing that stigma, taking that acceptance, and going ahead and talking. So these are personal journeys, I feel. And I honestly don't know enough about mental health at all to be commenting on it at a larger scale. But I just felt that in this phase of the second wave of the pandemic, grief and shock was occurring too often, and that needed speaking to people to be able to get over.
तो जो भी हमें देख रहे हैं इस वक्त, how do they reach out to you, Sanjana, to your organization?
They simply kind of get on to our social media and can register themselves for a free session. The links are all on my bio and on Moodspace's bio. So we can direct them there in probably the links on your interviews as well. It's really as simple as going out, choosing your time, and having that chat. There's nothing more to it.
Sanjana, all I want to say is that you're doing so much of good humanitarian work during these times. At the age of 24, though age is just a number, aap kitna kuch kar rahi hai, that shows that you have a heart. You're a great performer, and I'm so proud to call you my friend, and I adore you as a human being, and I mean that.
Thank you so much, Sid. Thank you. Thank you for continuing to spread joy in this time. Honestly, please don't stop, because we all need to get back at it also. But thank you for making us smile.